Hello guys, it's your boy Good Life, and I'm back again. I'm always here with one of the best and the best analysis on YouTube. So guys, I am here again with the vibe. How you guys doing? Good afternoon, good morning, good evening from wherever you are. I hope you guys are doing okay, guys. I hope you guys are having a good day, and it is Monday, so you need to go to work. So now let's dive into my screen. I'm here with a banger for you guys. I posted a trade on I took a trade on gold. That was last week. I took a sell trade and I posted a video about it. So right now I just took a loss on that trade. It hit my risks, it hit my stop loss, and it was a 1:2 risk to reward. A 1:3 risk to reward. So right now I still have another trade for you guys on that. So now let's dive in. So we can clearly see we are on the daily time frame. Let me kindly take out this. We're on the daily time frame on gold. We're on the daily time frame on gold. This is the loss I took. Immediately price opened this week. I took a loss on gold. So now I am back again with a trade signal, or I'm back again with a forecast on gold. Yes, the trade is not yet actualized, but if it's actualized, then we are going to profit on it. So we're going to be profitable on it. So let's dive into the trade. So now you can see clearly on the weekly time frame. I came to the weekly time frame and I saw that gold is creating more like a structure around there, but I didn't clearly see it. So I went to the daily time frame and I saw that gold created a double top around there. And now the neckline, and this was the neckline that was broken. This neckline was broken. The neckline, which is this level, was broken by this red candle. So I thought to myself, okay, a double top, then a retest of a break and a retest, then also a retest of the trend line. But gold refused to sell. Like I said, your strategy, or any strategy you use in the Forex market, it is 50-50. Yes, when it comes to the Forex market, it is 50-50. So right now, I can clearly see something on gold. I have seen, remember, I told you guys that for my strategy, I use two confluence. I use break of structure and break of counter trend line. If the counter trend line, which is this counter trend line, is broken, then I will wait for the structure to be broken. But if the counter trend line is broken and the structure is not broken, I am not in. And if the structure is broken and the trend line is not broken, I am still not in. I wait for the two confluence before I scale into that trade. So now, like I see on gold, I can see that gold right now is sitting at a very massive resistance support, on the daily time frame, which is this level. Gold is sitting at this level on the daily time frame. Then let me kindly remove this, and let me remove this. So I woke up this morning to see that gold has broken past the trend line. Yes, gold has broken past the trend line with this candle on the 4 hours time frame. I can't say the daily time frame because the day is not yet over. The whole of this candle might sink down. So I will say the 4 hours time frame. So right now I woke up to see that gold has broken above our trend line. So what is the next step? Remember, I told you guys, if it breaks the trend line, it must break the structure for me to know. So now we can see that gold clearly created here a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, and a lower high. And gold tried to create a lower low here, but gold could not. Rather, has come to break for a new highs and has broken the counter trend line. So now we have gotten our first confirmation, which is break of this counter trend line. So the next confirmation we are going to get is that gold should break this structure. That we should see a candle close above this structure. Yes. Yep. We should see a candle close above this structure. Yep. We should see a candle close above this structure. Yeah. Okay. Let me kindly adjust this. Yep. We should see a candle close above the structure. So now we have gotten the first close that, okay, let's scale down to the 4 hours time frame so that we can see clearly. So now we can see that gold broke through the counter trend line with this candle, but gold has not yet broken the structure. So we have to be patient and wait for a candle close. We have to be patient and wait for a candle close above this structure. Once we have a candle close above the structure, there you have it. There you have it. Then we go for gold buys. Then we go for gold buys. Then we are going to go for gold buys. If we can get a candle close above this structure, then we are going to be going for gold buys. Right. And also, guys, what if gold decides, okay, to test? What if gold decides, okay, to test here, to come and test this level? Rather than break above, gold reverses down. Gold decides to reverse down. So now we are trying to forecast a trade. When you see the trade buying, also take the other side of that trade into consideration. That's the sell side of that trade into consideration. Yes. And if you see the trade selling, also take the buy side of that trade into consideration, because sometimes you might, like now, we know clearly that since gold has broken this counter trend line, gold must surely break the structure. But what if gold does not break the structure? Then gold is going to reverse to the downside. Now, how are we going to enter the reversal trade? Now, let me show you guys. Let's go. So now this is the 4 hours time frame, and we can clearly see we draw a trend line. We attach our trend line. Yes, we attach our trend line. And then we wait for gold to break beneath this trend line. If gold breaks beneath this trend line, that will be our first confluence. Then this will be the next level structure that gold has to break for us to be able to know that gold is ready. This will be the next structure that gold has to break for us to know that gold is ready for a sell. That means that we'll see something like this: gold pushing up, rejecting around this level, and then coming down to break this counter trend line and also break this level, giving us a candle close below this level. Then there you have it. Our sell signal comes in. Right. So now, as we are focused on the buy, we should also be focused on a sell in case gold does not break above structure, rather gold decides to break below structure. Right. So now, since we are looking at this level, let me currently adjust this level of watch here to the candle close. Yeah, we adjust it to the candle close. Now, okay, we adjust it to the candle close on the daily time frame, so that we can see if gold will come down and break this counter trend line we have drawn here and also break this structure here, then we are in. But now gold has broken the counter trend line for a buy already, but we are waiting for gold to break above the structure so that it could be a clear confirmation that yes, that gold is ready for a buy. Right. So now let's see how our position is going to be like. Let's see how our entry position is going to be like. So now if gold closes above this level, our buy will be looking like this at the close of the candle, and then we'll keep it few pips beneath, because I love giving the market enough room to play around. So this is how our trade is going to be looking like on gold. If gold decides to break above this level, this is how our trade will be looking like on gold. Yes, you have heard it first from me. Yep, I always come here live to give you guys the insight of gold. But let's say if gold decides to reject from this level and rather comes down and break this level and also break our counter trend line with a candle, then our sell position will be looking like this at the close of that candle. Yep, at the close of that candle. Yep, at the close of that candle. Then we keep our stop loss a few pips above that candle, and then we take 100% retracement. Yes, so that is it for gold. So now the first one is if gold breaks and closes on the 4 hours above, on the 4 hour above this level, then we're going to take this entry. Yes, we're going to take this entry on gold. But if gold decides to sell, and break below this our level and our counter trend line, remember, two confluence, like they always say, two heads are better than one. Two confluence is better than one. Using just the counter trend line is not enough. Using just the structure is not enough. But using the two is like the best. Yes, is the best. So that is it on gold, guys. That is it on gold. So don't fail to check this out. That is it on gold. Yep. So that's how the entry will be. But I am 50%. I am 70% sure that gold is going to buy, because since we have gotten this break, I definitely know that gold is going to buy. Yes, so gold is going to break. I'm on a buy side on gold. So gold is going to break above this level, and we are going to be taking immediately that candle closes on the 4 hours. Then we are going to take a buy trade on gold. Yes, you have heard it here on Good Life. We are going to take a buy trade on gold, guys. Yes, gold is a buy. So now, guys, let's go to the previous trades I posted. I posted a trade about US 30, and I posted a trade about S&P 500. So now S&P 500 is currently running so well for me. I took this trade last month, guys. And the trade is doing absolutely fine. But right now, price is currently retracing. Let's skip this. Yep, price is currently retracing. Let me take this off first for a while. Price is currently retracing. So now just attach a counter trend line. I'm going to have another position here. Just attach a counter trend line. Let me zoom in. Price on S&P 500 is currently retracing on the daily time frame. Yep, so just attach a counter trend line. Like the way we do it, we use two confirmations. We don't use one, we use two. Then you keep your level at the close of the candle. And wait for a candle to break and close above. Yes, you wait for a candle to break and close above. Then you take your buys. You keep your stop loss. Let me show you guys how the trade will be. The buy trade will be. So this is how the buy trade is going to be. Yes, you adjust your stop loss to this level. Once you see a close, let's scale down. Yep, let's scale down to the 4 hours to see it clearly. Let's scale down to the 4 hours. So now once you get a candle close above here, you enter the trade at the close of that candle, and then you keep your stop loss beneath the close of these candles here, and then yep, you take it 100% level target retracement. Yes, and there you have it. So that is the trade for you S&P 500, and that is the trade for gold, guys. That's the trade for gold, guys. Yep, so do well. If you love the videos I post, do well to like, do well to comment, do well to subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon, so that anytime I drop trades like this, anytime I drop trades like this, trade analysis like this, YouTube will always send you a notification that Good Life has posted on YouTube. Yep, and you check it out and then you benefit from it. Remember guys, everything here is for free, guys. Every single thing here is for free, guys. So it's your boy Good Life. Have a lovely and a wonderful day. Peace out.